Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. Somebody's making a neon sign, and for the one I'm doing it for, this looks pretty good. There's a bad spot right there you need to fix. And I know wasn't his question, but and then round that off a little bit. You can always take the smoothing tool. It just well, let's get the shape tool. Yeah, that's not even a solid line. So what you can do in that case, let me back up a little bit because I've kind of messed it up a little bit. Grab that one, shift select that one, and then select both these. Go up to Windows, Dockers, Join Curves, and now it's one piece. And then you can take the smoothing tool. Wow, that's so big. 0.1. And click on that, and you can, let me zoom in here. See how it smoothed that out? You got to be selected on it. But that's not his question. His question is this right here with this A on the sandwiches needs to have rounded corners. So if we look at it with the shape tool, there's a lot of nodes. So let's take away these two nodes. Let's take away these two nodes. And we're going to do the same thing here because these are individual lines. So you can't round them off, but if we select them both and go up to join curves, just like we did on the other one, and now that's one piece. And you've still got those two selected. Go up to Windows, Dockers, and Corners, and just select like 0.05 and hit apply, and then you have rounded corners. And I would still maybe see if we can't take those two nodes out because it's not going to change anything. And from there, you can actually, if you wanted to change a little bit of the curve, if we take these two away, it's going to change it too much. So you can always, you can't go, like 0.07 maybe, and round that off. And then, I'm kind of curious why that doesn't need to be rounded off, that sharp point right there. And that's two lines there, so let's shift select that and then select both those. I shouldn't have shut that Docker. And join those two curves, and then you could round that off too. Too short. Let's make it like 0.02. There we go. I don't know. Maybe that's not needed. I don't know anything about neon lights, but the same thing on that W is, looks like the same thing in the A. It's the exact same scenario. These are a bunch of different lines. And I don't know if you can do them all, but we're going to shift select all of them and then select that and join those curves. And then you could just round those off too. Anyway, hope that helped them a little bit. Thank you for watching.